Hello, Rick here. Got a story for you today. A man was scuba diving off of a boat. Several people were still on the boat and there was several divers in the water. They were in the water for about 30-40 minutes and then most of them came up and he was still diving and there was some humpback whales in the area. Well, one humpback whale came up to this diver and was gently pushing him towards the boat. Now the diver got a little scared and didn't know what was going on and tried to get away from the whale. Well, the whale wasn't having it, so the whale took the diver into his mouth and held onto him for a few minutes. Everybody on the boat had seen this and thought he was dead for sure. After the whale released the diver, he came up, got on the boat, and everybody was relieved and everybody had a different story to tell. Come to find out, there had been a tiger shark in the area and they realized that the humpback whale was protecting the man. So you don't know what's going to happen in this crazy world, so just be careful out there and check out the link in the bio, follow along, and we'll see what happens.